Hello my dear children, today we will do chapter 9, personal pronoun. Now let us read these sentences. This is Ravi. Ravi is a famous doctor. Ravi goes to the hospital daily. Ravi treats patients very carefully. Every patient likes to be treated by Ravi. In these sentences, children, you might have noticed that the word Ravi is repeated again and again. So instead of repeating the noun, we can use another word instead of that noun. So when we change the word, it will become like this. This is Ravi. He, instead of Ravi, we will write he is a famous doctor. He goes to the hospital daily. He treats patients very carefully. Every patient likes to be treated by him. So in these sentences, the word Ravi is written only in first sentence. In other sentences, personal pronouns he and him are used in its place. So a pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Personal pronouns. Let us read these sentences. I am Sudha. Amit gave me a gift. This photograph is mine. We should obey our elders. The people welcomed us. These books are ours. In these sentences, I, me, mine, we, us, ours are pronouns of the first person. They are the pronouns of the first person. All pronouns that are used for the person speaking. You should remember this. The pronouns that are used for the person speaking are known as pronouns of the first person. You are an intelligent student. They praise you for your honesty. This dictionary is yours. Children, in these sentences, you, subjective case as well as objective case, and yours are pronouns of second person. All pronouns that are used for the person spoken to are called pronouns of the second person. Now in these sentences, I gave him a gift. These pens are his. She is my neighbor. The principal rewarded her. This skirt is hers. They are cricket players. I wanted to meet them. These garments are theirs. In these sentences, these pronouns are pronouns of the third person. All pronouns that are used for the person spoken about. Remember, pronouns that are used for the person spoken about are called pronouns of third person. So we have pronouns of first person, that is the person speaking, pronouns of second person, that is the person spoken to, and pronouns of third person, that is person spoken about. Forms of the personal pronoun. Children, pay attention. Singular and plural. Person, subjective case, objective case, possessive case, both possessive adjective and possessive pronoun, and remarks. First, I. In objective case, it will change into me, my, mine, used for both masculine and feminine. And in plural, we, us, our, ours. So I, me, my, mine, we, us, our, ours. You is used for both singular and plural. In singular case, you, your, yours. Used for both masculine and feminine. In plural also same, you, your, yours. Masculine and feminine. Used for both. Then he, singular case. Him, he will change into him. His for masculine only. Then she for singular. Her and hers, feminine. It for plural, it will change into it, its, no possessive pronoun, and for neutral. Okay, and then they will change into them, their, theirs. It is for all genders. Children, you should always remember the words my, our, your, his, her, its, and their. They are called possessive adjectives. They are always used with the nouns. See, this is my. My is possessive adjective. Book. Book is noun. This book is mine. Here mine is possessive pronoun. The word his is used both as possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. The word its is always used as possessive adjective, never as possessive pronoun. Exercise A. Rewrite the following sentences by using personal pronouns in place of the words given in color. Dr. Ramesh is a doctor. Dr. Ramesh lives in my neighborhood. Now, Dr. Ramesh, instead of Dr. Ramesh, again we will write he. He lives in my neighborhood. Vinod is a sports person. I want to meet him. Rekha is a good singer. Rekha feminine gender, so she takes part in cultural programs. Rakhi is a housewife. She cooks very delicious food. Mahesh and Ramesh, more than one, are intelligent students. They always stand first in the exam. Kavita and Anita are sisters. I met them yesterday. Archana is the daughter of Mr. Amit. She wants to meet him. Sumit is the son of Mrs. Asha. He wants to meet her. Naresh drew an excellent painting. Sumita also drew an excellent painting. They drew many excellent paintings. Naveen and Nitin are my classmates. They help me in my studies. I shall meet them. Point out the personal pronouns in the following sentences and tell for what they stand. First, we have to find out the personal pronoun, and then we have to tell for which noun they are used in place of. There were windows all around the hall, but they were all locked. So, they is a personal pronoun used here, and they is used for windows. Ram has taken out his purse out of his pocket. He was looking in it. So he and it. He is used for Ram and it is used for purse. The boys went onto the roof to catch a kite. They saw it was stuck among wires. So they is used for the boys and it for kite. Karina brought her bag and laid it on the bed. So her is used for Karina and it for bag. The horse fell down and broke its leg. So its is used for horse. Write the correct forms of pronouns in the following. We hit as many sixes as they. Deepak and I were present at the party. He is as good as I. Nobody but he was late. There is not much similarity between you and her. It is my dog. Tinu, you are a lazy dog. Rinky and I are best friends. Write the appropriate pronouns to replace the colored nouns. Mr. Sharma is a teacher. He. The flower, it. Cup, it. Woman, she. Cat, it. Boy, he. Men, they. Computer, it. Kavita, she. Librarian, the librarian is angry, and in picture masculine is given, so we will write he. Vijay, he. Chair, it. Now children, these definitions you will write in your notebooks. Define pronoun, give examples. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Example, I, me, mine, we, yours, them. Define pronouns of the first person. Give example, all pronouns that are used for the person speaking are known as pronouns of the first person. For example, us, ours, me, I. Define pronouns of the second person. Give examples. All pronouns that are used for persons spoken to are called pronouns of the second order. Example, you, yours. Define pronouns of the third person. Give examples. All pronouns that are used for the person spoken about are called pronouns of the third person. Example, he, she, they, them. With these children, we completed the chapter. Please revise the chapter, note down each and everything in your book as well as your notebook. May God bless you all. Thank you.